So hey my boutique babes, I'm back and I just wanted to come on real quick in the middle of cooking. Y'all excuse my appearance. This is my bird nest for when I got to cook and get my hair up out of my face because Charlotte be hot in the kitchen. But anywho, I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that everything that was supposed to come with the pre-order collection that previously launched has come in. So the last package that we were waiting on were the t-shirts and our lightweight pants that were in the color peach, and they came in. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you ordered any of the t-shirts that were a part of the pre-order, so our Jesus Has My Back t-shirt, the Killing It Every Damn Day t-shirt, the Women of the Bible t-shirt, the Faith It Till You Make It t-shirt, and the Coffee and Jesus t-shirt, they all came in. I'm just going to show you guys real quick one of the tees, well maybe two, because y'all requested to see plus size on camera. So as you requested, here you go. This is the Faith It Till You Make It t-shirt in an extra large, and this is it up against me. I'm a size small for reference. This is the edge of the t-shirt on me, and that's where it stretches out to. So this is how the extra large looks on camera. And lengthwise, I'm 5'3". It hits me about mid-thigh. So of course, we also have our Fueled by Coffee and Jesus tee in our pretty light blue. And remember guys, our Women of the Bible tee. This one is in a size 2X. So you can see how this fits up against me. So you guys can see it on camera in plus size and not just regular size. Our Jesus Has My Back tee. This one is in extra large. So this was an extra large order. Once again, in case you didn't remember how they looked. And let me show you guys one more. This is our Not Perfect Just Forgiven tee, and this one is in a medium. So this was a medium order. So yeah, babes, your orders will be shipped out if you ordered the t-shirt along with any of the other items in the pack, in the collection. So like I had mentioned to you guys, we were just waiting on the t-shirts to come in. So if you place an order with the t-shirt and the rest of the items, they're going to be shipped out today. So be on the lookout for those items. And yeah, I love each and every one of you, and thank you for placing your orders, and I will see you guys in the next one.